What's good, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. So this is the general hospital that was abandoned by the previous administration in Abia State, and His Excellency the Executive Governor of Abia State has actually renovated the hospital and is fully ready for commission. Well, this is one out of many abandoned or hospitals and public facilities in the state that the previous administration has abandoned that he has fixed. Let's take a look at the hospital. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here.
Chaka biage we menu obi kuba no domu na wi ebu abalu sekene kulugene kiba suwa we bulu je bulu na ni banyu ne gwa menu obonye ka ni ne ku na wi ebu azomoga abalu sekene kulugene kiba suwa Mana